How the leopard and python rule the African savanna, a look into the hunting techniques of two formidable predators. Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring two of the most fascinating creatures found in the African savanna, the leopard and the python. These two predators may seem like vastly different animals at first glance, but they share many similarities in their hunting techniques and adaptations to their environment. 1. Leopard. The leopard is a big cat found throughout Africa and parts of Asia. It is a skilled hunter with a reputation for being elusive and stealthy. Leopards are able to blend into their environment with their spotted fur, making them difficult to spot even in plain sight. They are known to hunt both during the day and at night, making them a formidable predator to many animals. One of the most interesting things about leopards is their ability to climb trees. They are one of the few big cats capable of scaling trees with ease, which they use to ambush prey or to rest during the heat of the day. Their powerful jaws and sharp claws allow them to take down prey much larger than themselves, such as antelope and even small giraffes. 2. Python. The python, on the other hand, is a large and powerful snake found throughout Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are known for their ability to constrict their prey, squeezing them until they suffocate. Pythons are ambush hunters, lying in wait for their prey to come within striking distance. One of the most fascinating things about pythons is their incredible strength. They are able to kill and swallow prey much larger than themselves, such as antelopes, warthogs, and even small crocodiles. Pythons are also known for their incredible ability to adapt to their environment, which has allowed them to survive in a variety of habitats, including forests, savannas, and even deserts. Comparison. Despite their differences in appearance and hunting techniques, leopards and pythons share many similarities. Both are highly adaptable predators with an incredible ability to take down prey much larger than themselves. They are also both highly skilled hunters, capable of ambushing their prey with precision and speed. Conclusion. In conclusion, the leopard and python are two of the most fascinating creatures found in the African savanna. Despite their differences, they share many similarities in their hunting techniques and adaptations to their environment. By understanding these incredible animals, we can gain a greater appreciation for the diverse and complex ecosystems found in our world. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. To learn a ton more helpful stuff similar to this video, be sure to check out my others videos. Thanks so much for watching. So what do you think? Let us know below. You want to check out this video about another dog breeds you might want, like and smash the subscribe button if you love videos about dogs. I have a lot more coming, and as always, catch you next time.